Today I'm going to show you how to draw a beautiful mountain in the sunset, in the night sky. So first you want to go to these night colors. So I'm going to choose the darkest one of all. So you use color drop and color drop it all. Now I'm going to go add a screen size. Now you add a layer, then you go to the second darkest. Go to calligraphy. At the bottom use script, it's a good one. Now relax. Like that. Now you just move up another one. Just continue. So you continue to do it until you reach the top. Until you finish using more colors. Now, there you can add some details. You don't have to if you don't want to. So then you can add another layer and then go to maybe a white but also gray. And in the sky, draw a circle and then color fill. Now you can also make it smaller. You need to. Choose what size. There. Now after that you don't need to do that. Go to brush, pens. Now go to luminance. Go to flare. Color white, and then just do some dots. You can choose different size. Make sure it's not too big. This can be used as stars. Just choose different sizes. It's quite beautiful. Now, you go here to the colors. Go to blue. Maybe a light color like that one. And then remember to change it back to script. Now you can draw a line. And color fill. There. Now that's the river. Now we're going to go get a nice pen to get the details. Like this one, water, oceans, it's all fine. I chose oceans. Looks quite beautiful now. There. Then you can go to a darker color, like black. And in here, remember to change back to script. And then you can draw a tiny house. And then you can use just color fill. Now after that, now you have all these layers, merge them until it's only one layer. Now, go to brushes, go to luminance, there's nebula. I like using this color. Yes. Now maybe you want to do it bigger, because you're going to do it on the moon. Accidents happen. You can just do undo. There. Now it's just a beautiful night sky. You can add all the details you want, but this is how it will look. This will help be nearly how it look in the end.